Hey man! Hello everybody! This is Heman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Delayed yung flight namin ng 30 minutes. Hindi kami agad pinalabas para hinihintay pa yata yung clearance. So maghahanap tayo ng water kasi gutom na tayo. Mahaba-habang lakbay na naman to. Ayan, this is it guys. Ang ganda. So ito daw, nagsisimbolo daw yan ng pagka-oldest ng Portugal. Ang Portugal din kasi kilala sila bilang isa sa pinakamalaking bansa kung saan malakas yung konsumo nila when it comes sa mga lamang dagat. This was built in the middle of the sea. I'm giving you the sanctuary of Lady Fatima here in Portugal. I'm so excited guys kasi this tour will be 14 countries. This is the first country, which is the Portugal. We would be going to Spain, followed by the Andorra, Monaco, Switzerland, Italy, Liechtenstein, Belgium, Germany, France, Netherlands, and we just have to wait until the train guys. So we just have to appreciate the view guys. See this one? Oh my god, a little Russia. Welcome to Portugal. Oh my god. Guys, I love it. I love it guys. It's really like, you know, a different place. It's a new for me as an Asian.
Please hang up and try again.
Guys, welcome to Porto here in Portugal. So we would be exploring some architectural designs here. Titikman natin yung kanilang custard tarts. Guys, mamaya check natin yung tarts nila. So for now kasi hindi natin pwedeng ma-experience kasi we are in the tour. Hi guys, that's me. Mirror is life. Guys, ayan na, ang ganda. Oh my god, oh. We are gonna cross over the bridge. Iba talaga yung experience dito sa Portugal, guys. Yung mga architectural designs ng mga bahay, yung building, iba talaga, puro bricks. Tapos iba-iba yung mga restaurant sa makikita mo dito, kung ano yung mga pagkain. Ayan yung mga kasama ko. Woo! Ayan na! Kasama! Ayan.
Dito naman, dito tayo.
Ayan. You would never tired getting this view. Ayan. Ang ganda guys. Kung mapapansin natin, yung mga boat na yan may dalang mga wines. Kasi they love exporting wines here in Portugal. Kaya sinabi din yata ito na Porto kasi talagang nasa port siya. They love trading wines here. Hi guys, say hi to the vlog.
New friend.
Ang ganda, tingnan nyo. Nagpe-paint siya. Baka maiwan tayo, guys. Dalian natin. Speaking of attraction, do you see that? That bridge? Yung bridge na yan, ang gumawa daw dyan kung sino yung gumawa ng Eiffel Tower. So ito na nga guys, nasa bridge tayo, which is ito yung ginawa ni Eiffel. So hinahanap ko yung mga kasama natin. Ayun sila. Sasakay tayo ng tram. Experience natin yung paakyat. Ano, may ticket na? Ayan. Nakapila yung mga kasama natin. So yan na nga daw guys, ang ticket is 4 euros daw. Aakyat tayo. Try natin yung tram nila. Hey. So yan na yung mga kasama natin. Guys, ayan na. It's our turn. So guys, it's our turn. Dito tayo para makita natin yung sa taas. Ayan na. Ayan yung aakyatin namin guys. I can't wait to see how this turns out. Let's see. Yeah.
Hello mga tita. Hi, welcome to our home.
Bahay daw niya eh. Ay, kala ko ba sumakay ka kanina? Hindi.
Please hold on to the handrail during the trip.
Naka-record. Ayan, ito na. Paakyat na guys. Ayun pala yung view.
Pagkadating sa taas.
Oo.
Ay, kakasalubong kami. Hi!
Oh my God! Ayan na. Ang haba talaga, no? Kala ko lang dito lang sa taas eh. Oh my God!
Kwaray. Happy birthday! Aray ko.
Baka kasama yun sa ano to, twist nila.
Pagkasama yun sa Pudalang
Oh my God. Kasama sa binayaran natin siguro yun. Mga walang hiya.
Sa horror experience.
House horror pala to.
Lumagpak yung mga anong buto-buto ko eh. Sa aray ko.
Ito na. Ito na guys. So,
I did not expect.
ayan na. Walang katapusan.
Nakabidyo pa pala yun.
Oo. Ayan, labas na tayo. Palabas na kami and ayan, so maglalakad tayo pababa. Baka siguro dito na tayo pwede kumain. We're gonna have our lunch. Oh, that's a Harry Potter train. Kung mapapansin natin, no? Ang Porto talaga, parang a little Russia. Yung architectural design ng mga bahay, yung mga tao, tsaka the way they socialize with other people, yung mga business nila. Same with the Russian talaga. Oh, you see that? An helicopter. May mga nagtutour din dito na helicopter, guys. Ang init, buti nakapaglagay tayo ng sunscreen. Parang balik ulit tayo dun sa meeting place, di ba? Hindi.
Basta alam ko, pupunta dito.
So guys, nawawala kami. Hinahanap natin yung tour guide namin. Nauna kasi sila. Ayun, nahabuli na naman natin sila. Kasi hinahanap namin yung mga kasama namin, guys. So guys, ang haba pala yung nilalakad namin. Itong street na to, parang alam mo yung sa vegan, yung parang Cali Crisolog. This one. Ang daming mga entertainers dito, ang daming restaurants, ang daming shops. There are also some different peoples here. Guys, ito yung House of Nutella. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys yung sa likod natin. Iba-iba talaga yung architectural design. Na-appreciate natin yung mga dilapidated, mga old building, diba? Iba sa paningin talaga. So, nakaka-amaze lang. Makikita niyo yung mga iba't ibang bahay. Oh. So, naglalakad pa rin tayo. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Porto, Portugal. Hey friend, hi! Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Welcome to Porto, Portugal.
Yes. How does it feel being here?
So much fun. Lovely places.
You love the place?
Artistic.
Yeah. What about the architectural design ng mga buildings
it's very
dito?
unique and you know they still manage to preserve the historical place, the house.
Yeah.
So very, I hope that.
Yes. Yung mga ano to, mga kalapati dito, hindi natatakot sa mga tao. Kasama mong maglalakad lang dito. It's good, right? And ayan. Siguro it's different once you are traveling with someone special because you know you would appreciate the moment being here. It's good. So I'm gonna try the famous churros here in Portugal, which is they have some different flavors. So I will be trying the chocolate or Nutella. Mine is one chocolate, please. Nutella. So try natin, guys. Here. This is it. This is Nutella. Churros Nutella. Ang sarap, guys. Ang laki. Tapos creamy siya. Yung para alam mo yung pag nilulunok mo siya, mararamdaman mo yung throat mo na talagang parang, alam yung sticky. Ang sarap. Oh my God. You would never tired swallowing this one. Swallow. I love it. What about yours, friend? Masarap ba?
Promise.
Anong flavor yung sa'yo?
White chocolate brown.
White chocolate brown. Mine is Nutella. Ang sarap. It feels like losing your virginity for the first time.
Aray. Wala kami.